Okay, so we're back at the rescue house and we're dealing with some of the problems left by the old contractor, and this one's pretty severe. This darker wood right here is the old framing that was here when they started. This new wood is wood they added for the second floor addition. This problem we've been having since day one is this ceiling in this media room is super uneven. It's way out of level, and something just has looked not right to us. We couldn't figure out what it was because it was all covered with sheetrock. So today we uncovered a section, figure out why there was a big hump in the ceiling. Right here where this double little header is, there was a big hump about 3/4 of an inch, so we decided just to uncover it and see what was wrong. Well, first of all, this thing is totally loose. It's not even nailed in. It's not nailed to this plate. Here's another one. Check this out. Not nailed in. This one, not nailed. Ouch. What?
That's not nailed either.
This isn't nailed? This one's not nailed. Look at that moving. Now that was bad enough, but then we got to looking at it again, and the old ceiling joist that were holding this entire ceiling up back here, they didn't re-nail them. They didn't reattach them. This is negligence. This is maybe one of the worst things I've ever seen. Look at that gap right there. Look at that gap. That is the ceiling joist for this room, and when they added this second floor addition, they cut them all loose and they didn't fix them. Nobody came back and reattached these joists. So this ceiling all along that's been causing us all this headache. Check that out. Nobody took the time to fix anything. And the whole ceiling's all tied together. So all these joists are loose. And I can't leave them without fixing them, because it's dangerous. This is a ceiling that's literally floating on its own. Wow. So where we thought we had a small little repair to do, seems that now we have a much bigger project on our hands. We're gonna have to remove a bunch of sheetrock and get up here to this framing and fix it. All right, another video from the rescue house.